Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video today, I am going to give you guys one of the best scalping strategy for boom and crash. This strategy is very effective and accurate for scalping boom and crash, be it boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300, crash 1000, crash 500 and crash 300. You can also use this strategy to scalp VIX 75, which means volatility 75. So guys, follow me to the end of this video. I am going to give you guys the settings for the strategy, the time frame to use the strategy on, and then the zoom level. And also I am going to give you further explanation on how to use this strategy effectively. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to it. So guys, as you can see on my screen right now, this is the strategy guys. On the main chart we have a moving average, and also indicator window 1 we have some moving averages. So let's start with the settings for this strategy. So these are the settings. So for the moving average on our main chart, this is the settings. So it's period 48, shift 0, method is simple, apply to its close, and then you choose any color of your choice and make it 4 pixel because it has to be very visible. So after doing that, you click on save, and then we move on to the next strategy. Sorry, we move on to the next settings. So the next indicator we are going to use right now is the RSI, relative strength index. So this is the settings for the RSI. So the period is 6, apply to its close, and then the styling, you choose the color of your background. As you can see, my own background is white, so I chose color white. So if your background is black, please choose color black. So for the levels, these are the levels: level 5, level 10, level 15, 80, 85 and 90. So then you select any color of your choice for the styling, and then after doing that, you click on back, and then you click on save, and then we move on to the next indicator. So the next indicator is moving average, period 5, shift 0, method is exponential, apply to its close, and then you choose any color of your choice, then you click on save. So the last indicator for this strategy is moving average, period 200, shift 0, method is exponential, apply to its close, and then the styling is 3 pixel by selecting any color of your choice. So after doing that, you click on save, and then by the end of that, you should have something like this on your screen. So for the zoom level, this strategy uses the zoom level 1, not the third or second zoom level, not this or this or this. Make sure it's on the 0, as some of you might call it, 0 or first zoom level. So this is the zoom level you are to use for this strategy guys. Trust me, this strategy works. So how do you use this strategy? Don't forget, I told you guys this strategy is a scalping strategy. The moment you spot a setup, and then you take your entry, take your 20 pips and get out of the market. Easy peasy guys. So don't use, you could hold your trade for long if you are very sure of the setup, but I use this strategy mainly for scalping. You could use this strategy to grow your $10 account, your $20 account, to as much as you want to grow it to. So this is how the strategy works. So guys, on our main chart, on our main screen here, we have the color black moving average, which is the period 48 moving average. So what this indicator does is that, what this moving average does is that it gives you an idea of the current major trend of the market. So if the market is an uptrend, the moving average is going to be below price action. that means the price action is going to be above it if it's an uptrend, as this case. If it's in a downtrend, that means the indicator, as in this case, the indicator is the moving average is going to be above the price action. So that is the use of this indicator, guys. So that is it for the indicator on our main screen. So for the indicators on our indicator window 1, as you can see, we have color black and color red moving average. So this is how the strategy mainly works, guys. You go to your 1 hour time frame, guys. You go to your 1 hour time frame. So immediately you go to your 1 hour time frame. What you should be looking for is, we are going to use the 1 hour time frame for our analysis, and then the 5-minute time frame for our entry. So immediately you go to your 1 hour time frame and you spot a setup like this. The moment you spot a setup like this, guys, that means you should start preparing for an entry. But don't enter just yet. You have to wait for your second confirmation. This is your first confirmation. There has to be an intersection between the color black and color red moving average on our oversold region. The level 5 here, level 5, level 10, and level 15 here is our oversold region. Level 80, 85, and 90 is our overbought region. So what you should be looking for, if you are looking for a buy, if it's a buy, the two moving averages here, the color black and color red, has to be in the oversold region, and there has to be an intersection like this. So the moment you spot an intersection like this, that means that is your first confirmation. Then for your second confirmation, this color black moving average has to cross the price action, which means it has to come all the way down and cross it, which means the price action is now going to be above it. So the moment you spot something like this, so the moment you spot something like this, because frankly speaking, this is what is going to happen. You will get to see this first confirmation first before this color black moving average crosses the price action. So the moment you spot this confirmation first, you need to wait patiently for this color black moving average to cross the price action on the 1 hour time frame. So immediately you see this, that means you should go on your lower time frame and look for a buy position. So what does that mean? Right here on our 1 hour time frame, we've spotted a setup for a buy entry. So you go back to our 5-minute time frame. The moment you go back to your 5-minute time frame, then you look for a setup like this. Let me look for a setup. Then you look for a setup like this, which is something like this. As you can see, this is a crossing between the color black and color red moving average in our oversold region here. So then you wait for a crossover like this, and then you enter for a buy, and then get your 20 pips and move out of the market. You are definitely going to spot as many setups as this in a day with this strategy, guys. You will definitely get so many setups like this in a day with this strategy. Some of you might think 20 pips is small. Well, if you're using a big lot size, it's not actually small. But for us that has small account, use the lowest lot size, because you are trying to grow the account and you need to apply risk management too. So use the smallest lot size, and then you definitely spot a lot of setups like this in a day using this strategy. You can spot 4, 5, or even more than that in a day using this strategy, and you can use this strategy to either buy or sell. Similarly, if it's for a sell, let's go back to our 1 hour time frame. You need to spot a setup like this, intersection between the color red and black moving average at our overbought region, which is the level 80, 85, or 90. Then you wait for your second confirmation, which is the crossover of the black moving average. that means price action has to be below it. So the moment you spot something like that, then you go back to your 5-minute time frame and then you look for a sell position. So guys, one tip that I'm going to give you regarding this strategy is that whenever you spot an intersection, something like this, at your overbought or oversold region, this is our overbought region, this is our overbought region, this is our oversold region. So the moment you spot an intersection like this, what you should do is you move your screen like this, and make sure these moving averages are not shifting from their positions. As you can see, as I'm moving the screen, the intersection is still there, and the moving averages are not shifting from the overbought region. So which means that is the setup you should be looking for, not something like this. Sorry. So as you guys can see, something like this. As you can see, this is an intersection right here at our overbought region. But the moment I shift my screen, it slacks. So that shouldn't be the setup you should be looking for. Something like this should be the setup you should be looking for. Something like this. So that is the tip I wanted to give you guys for this strategy. So guys, I'm sure you guys enjoyed this strategy. Kindly apply it on your demo account, practice with your demo, and then if you feel you're confident enough to use it on your live account, you can test it out on your live account and give me feedbacks down there in the comment section. So kindly give me positive comments down there in the comment section. Like the video if you've gotten value in this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done so yet. Kindly subscribe to the channel. That is what motivates me, and that is what keeps me going, guys. Don't forget to join my premium signal group. The link is down there in the description of this video. It's actually free for you guys that are my subscribers. It's free for you guys, so just use the link down there in the comment section. I'll be dropping There are over 190,000 members in that signal group, so just join the link and let's continue making money together, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, guys.